Use the child lock function if you are concerned about children in the back seat. If your car has an electric child lock button, you can simultaneously set child lock and window lock with the electric child lock button. Activate the child lock button and check if the backseat door opens from inside. If your car does not have an electric child lock button, you can manually set the child lock. First, open the backseat door and check the child lock lever. Remove the emergency key on the back of the smart key, insert it into the child lock lever, and turn it to the child lock position. Press the power window lock button on the driver's seat to set the window lock.
Kia, movement that inspires.